Cell. The smallest unit of life. Plant cells have a rigid structure. Animal cells are different from plant cells. He studied cancer cells under a microscope. Blood cells carry oxygen through the body. Cells divide to form new cells.